In this video, we'll cover front-end equipment for John Deere combines. This includes drapers, corn heads, and belt pickup. When selecting a header for your S, X, or T Series combine, talk with your John Deere dealer. He or she can help you match the header size to your combine for best performance. Now, let's start with hinged frame drapers. These headers constantly adjust to the ground, helping you capture more crop and minimize loss. What's more, the 50-foot draper enables you to harvest up to 33 more acres a day. And when used with the X9 1100, the HD50R can help you harvest 30 acres of wheat or soybeans an hour, or 320 acres a day. In high-volume canola, fingered top augers let you straight cut the crop and reduce header loss by up to 26%. The HDR has a rigid cutter bar, and the HDF has a flexible cutter bar. Both are available in widths of 35, 40, 45, and 50 feet. Our HD50R provides double the wing range, and the industry-exclusive Active Feeder House Position Control isolates the header from the combine and positions the attachment frame in the middle of the draper's center frame to reduce the need to actively adjust the feeder house height as you go up or down slopes. The increased wing range, along with a more consistent distance between reel fingers and cutter bar, allows the header to float over the field, capture more crop across the entire cutter bar, and minimizes crop left in the field. In off-ground harvesting, our height control gauge wheels improve the consistency of stubble height by 25%. You'll maintain a consistent cutting height across the entire width of the cutter bar, whether you have rolling hills or flat ground. And when off-ground cutting, you can make on-the-go adjustments to the cutting height right from the cab. If you have down or lodged crop, you can quickly convert from off-ground cutting to on-ground cutting in less than 10 seconds. Our hinged drapers have a closer reel clearance and deeper ground reach than the 700 Flex Draper. This increases the reel's ability to go down and out. And for going up, there's a 30% increase in the reel's maximum height. You can easily harvest lodged crop, thanks to a 24% increase in the reel drive's motor torque. When changing crops or conditions, you'll reduce your downtime from 4 hours to just 20 minutes, thanks to the easy-to-adjust feed rate speed, drum height, and finger timing. To ensure smooth crop feeding, you can change the speed of the feed drum and center feed belt to high or low. For example, the low speed in soybeans will help prevent the crop from being thrown over the header. Our grain saver draper belts prevent grain loss at the header by not allowing grain to roll down the front of the belt and past the cutter bar. These belts can reduce cutter bar loss by up to 25%. We also offer rigid frame, flexible cutter bar drapers. RDF HydraFlex Drapers are available in 30, 35, 40, and 45-foot widths. These headers take the best of the 700 Flex Draper and add some of the HDF features, such as the 2-speed center feed section and the header control unit. Our HDR and HDF hinged frame drapers can work up to 50 feet wide, while reducing grain loss and capturing more crop on every pass. For more details, or to check compatibility, see your local John Deere dealer. For farmers who grow small grains and who need a belt pickup, we offer the BP15. The BP15 can pick up 30 acres of wheat or 23 acres of canola windrows an hour. A 2-speed auger drive sprocket provides a 20% faster feed rate for canola and high-yielding wheat. We also offer a feed auger spacer to keep the position of the auger high when harvesting large windrows. Larger gauge wheels with a no-tool adjustment offer improved terrain following in rough field conditions. And you can add a crop shield to prevent crop from flying onto the feeder house or against the windshield. Our belt pickup provides a faster feed rate for high-volume crops and offers improved terrain following in rough field conditions. Our S, X, and T Series combines are engineered to create a perfect balance between front-end equipment and machine power. So together, they deliver stable, consistent performance with every pass, even in tough conditions. And that starts with the corn head. Folding corn heads are available in 8, 12, 16, and 18-row configurations. With our wider heads on an X9 combine, you can harvest more bushels an hour, up to 7,200, and put more clean grain in the tank, all while consistently managing stalks and residue. What's more, you can harvest 65 more acres every day with a 16-row corn head compared to a 12-row at the same ground speed. The 8 and 12-row head is available in 30-inch row spacing. The 16-row head is available in 20, 22, and 30-inch row spacings. And the 18-row head is available in 20 and 22-inch row spacings. Not only do these heads help harvest more bushels per hour, but you can cover more acres a day thanks to our industry-leading fold time. On an S Series combine, the head will fold in less than 60 seconds, and about 40 seconds with an X Series. That'll help you move quickly between fields during harvest. We improve the visibility when the head is in the folded position. The head sits 12 inches lower, resulting in about 8 feet of better visibility when compared to our 700 FC. A larger 19-inch auger with increased torque helps you cover more acres per hour. It also ensures you're not limited by the corn head feeding rate, even with a larger S or X Series combine in tough conditions, such as high moisture corn. The auger has a smaller and more consistent gap between auger flighting and floor to reduce the pinching of kernels. Active end fenders are available to help you harvest in down or leaning corn, as well as normal conditions. They reduce the chance of ears being tossed over the side of the head. John Deere designed and factory-installed stock deflectors are integrated into the frame. These lightweight deflectors reduce tire and track wear on your combine, tractor, grain cart, and other implements such as your planter. When harvesting at night, lights on the end divider tip help the grain cart operator see the edge of the corn head. The lights also help you make sure you're on the right row when re-engaging after headland turns. All John Deere corn heads are equipped with proven and reliable Romax row units, which provide extended wear life for gathering chains, sprockets, chain guides, and stock rolls. When you add AutoTrack row sense to your corn head, you can focus more on other combine functions, especially while unloading on the go. And when you add machine sync, the combine operator can control the tractor and grain cart to make unloading easier than ever, especially with wider heads. We also updated our rigid corn heads, which are built with most of the features found on our folding corn heads. CR corn heads are available in 6, 8, 12, 16, and 18 rows. Our CF and CR corn heads can help you harvest faster while reducing grain loss and damage. For more details, or to check compatibility with our S or X Series combines, see your local John Deere dealer.